Hi friends, today we reached the ninth day of our mirror work. Let us continue taking care of that inner child today also. Okay, as we did part 1 yesterday, let's do the remaining part today. We will use our mirror to forgive the past and begin love our inner child. That is the child within us. Let's forgive all the past that we have and whatever the past we must have worried about as a child and whatever the fears we have, let us dig them and throw them away and then spend the time with the inner child and love our inner child. Okay, so how are you doing so far? Are you feeling a little better? Are you going to the so close to your inner child? For myself, I really found it is extremely useful and valuable for helping and healing the inner child. So, how we can heal them? Because if you remember what is the past we have and what is the when that inner child has hurt in the past, if you get them and you can just heal them, we are not always in touch with that inner child, and we are not touch with the feelings that of a frightened little child within us. As a child, if you remember, right, as a child you must be full of fears and physical and mental verbal battles, and you may have the habit of mentally beaten up. And still, do you know, still you are having those feelings and you are beaten up yourself right now. So the child inside do not have any place to go. It is actually beaten up by you because of the feelings that you have in the past. So many of us has this problem. We lost the inner child was lost that lovely feelings, and it was scolded, it was criticized. Then we will wonder why we are unhappy. We want to be happy, but we are unhappy. We will get the car, we will get the home, we will get all external pleasures in order to make ourselves happy. But somewhere inside, you feel that there is a picking, and you are not feeling happy. So let us make our inner child why it is suffering, what it is suffering, and let's make inner child happy through this mirror work. Then all the things will get set. Without having all these external things also, you can be happy, you can be blissful all the time, friends. So let us use that. Remove your parents' limitations on your child. Your inner child is having that, because as a child, when you are having, your parents have given all the limited thoughts on your inner child. So that little child is lost with your parents' limitations or with the societal limitations or the people around you, those people's limitations. So now it is your responsibility to get there, talk to your inner child, take time and talk to your inner child, and then throw all those old beliefs. You may not get there at 1 day or 2 days or a week, because you have been not talking to your inner child since the throughout your life. But I promise you will get there. You will find happiness by removing all these rigid ideas that you have as a child, right? All these rigid ideas builds a walls around you. Because of that only, your inner child is probably not happy at all, because it's you built a lot of walls. This society will not accept me if I'm like this. Society will not accept me if I'm not rich. Society will not accept me if I do this. So many things. Our parents won't love me if I do this, or your wife may not accept you if I do this. Like this, so many walls you build around you from the childhood to now. So those walls got built up, and those walls became higher and higher. You have to take brick by brick through that wall, and then you have to see the light in your life. The more light you see, then the more you will be your inner child will be happy. You can take care of the more and more when you are actually breaking those walls. See what joyous experience you have when you are breaking all the walls that you have around you. Spend time to your inner child. The universe will respond. Friends, remember this. Whenever you are trying to spend time with your inner child and trying to make it happy, universe will respond you, and it will heal. Do not bring your adult, bring your inner child that you have it, right? You have an inner child and you are an adult, but bring your inner child out and see how the what it needs. What is the biggest healing thing that you think? Love. Love is the biggest eraser that we all know. So once you use that love, everything you can arrange, because love goes very deeper than anything else. When it is going to the deeper, think of a moment when you get a pain or a joy. When you want to have a pain or a joy, do you want a pain? Then think all the past and whatever, wherever the pain you have it, then recreate those pain moments now in the present, and you feel the pain again. You can create those chemicals again and again, the pain chemicals, and then have the pain. Or do you want a joy? Forget it, just love whatever you have it, just love it, and forgive all the people that involved the pain. Then that gives you that, once you forgive, you will be able to simply arise those thoughts. It may be parents, or it may be your siblings, or it may be your relatives or neighbors, or whoever has given you pain. Forgive them because they behaved that way. Just remember, it might not be intentional. Their consciousness level is only that much, their knowledge is only that much. So they are brought up with the limited thoughts by their parents, and they brought you up with those limiting thoughts, whatever they know. So now, as you realized it, so just release those things. Just by forgiving all of them, release those thoughts. So what is the affirmation for today's? I love inner child, I'm willing to change. I love my inner child, I'm willing to change. I am in charge of my life now. You are in charge of your life. You are actually take the charge to love your inner child. Let us see what is the today's mirror work. Day 9 mirror work. Same as usual. Go to your bathroom. Picture yourself as a childhood, as you taped yesterday, right? Yesterday you already taped your childhood picture. So you see that and see how actually you are looking. Is the child is happy today? If not yesterday, because you are taking care of the inner child. So tell that inner child, I care about you. I love you. I really love you, and I care about you. Stand in front of a mirror and look. Yeah, or if you don't have that, take a handheld mirror. Continue the conversation throughout the day, right? Not only in the morning, afternoon, evening, and then night. So throughout the day, take a handheld mirror if you are outside, and then start the conversation like this. Apologies. I'm sorry, I haven't talked to you since long. I haven't talked to you over the years. I'm sorry, I scolded you for a long time. Now I'll make up all the time for you. I'll spend time with you. I'll talk to you. We will become stuff. We will spend time for each other. So like that, you start the conversation and make your child happy. Okay, when you are making your child happy, because you didn't talk to 40-50 years, or 30-40 years, whatever your age, right? Now you are reconnecting with your inner child. Be persistent. Sometimes you may feel that you are carrying that inner child with you like this, maybe because you are taking care of your inner child, right? So hear the child from your side. You will definitely listen what the inner child is saying, right? So sometimes you may need a tissue box, and if you are feeling like crying, just cry, because all those feelings you may feel like crying, tears may roll up. Don't worry about it, because you are just actually releasing your emotions. You are breaking through it. That's okay. Just do it so that you will be free from it. Okay, what is that? Today's thought is what is that? Today's journaling, right? The journaling, as you yesterday you made the crayons and all the things that you want to do. Now make it as a child. What are the things that you want to do? What do you enjoy, right? Maybe you want to wet in the water. Maybe you want to dance in the sprinkling water. Whatever the things that you like, you just made a list and do it now. Your inner child will be happy. Have fun with the silly things, because your inner child love to do it. Not that every time you need not have a supercar or a good job or a promotion to be happy. You can find the happiness in this small simple tasks. Thought for the day, heard thought for the day, right? What is the day 9 thought? Is you are willing to learn new things that you have not done before. You are willing to talk to your inner child. You are willing to learn what it wants. I don't want to do anymore. That kind of behavior is not there. You want to do and you want to learn. You want to be a better person than yesterday. You compete with yourself. You be the better person than yesterday. Growing and changing is always exciting. Let's do it, friends. Let's grow and let's change ourselves. Let's our inner child be happy so that we will be happy, we will be blissful all the time, friends. Hope you are working out with your inner child and this will change your life. Believe me, friends, that will definitely give you a lot of happiness. Okay, see you tomorrow with another topic. Thank you.